Hello, my sweet crafty friends. This is Mary, and I am so happy to be back with you at long last. It's been a long time that I've been away, and I just want to thank you all so very much for all your wonderful, kind comments, y'all checking on me, your prayers. I appreciate it so very much. I had kind of a difficult summer, because I think the last card I did was probably back in June. And it wasn't too long after that, I had a flare-up of my arthritis in my legs. And for a while, I couldn't even walk, guys. I couldn't get down the stairs to get to my craft room or my studio. So I couldn't do any cards, no videos, nothing. I'm way better now. I'm still having a little bit of trouble with my knees, but I'm so much better. And I could tell you guys were praying for me. I could just feel it. And thank you again for all your prayers. They were so appreciated. Now today we're going to make a card. I have not made a card since way back in June. So, you know, my mojo kind of left when the arthritis came in. So I've been trying to put this card together for about a week now. It's not a hard card at all, but it was hard for me to get back in the groove again. But hopefully this one will be a cute one when we get it done. I love to do fall and Halloween cards, and that's what I'm going to try to be doing in the future, because Halloween's coming, right, guys? I know so many of you love to make Halloween cards, especially for your grandkids. And I don't like spooky ones. I like the cute, funny ones. So we'll be doing one or two of those. So today we're going to use Give a Hoot. I love this little Cricut cartridge. It has a little fox in here that I've used several times. And I shopped my stash because I haven't bought anything new in ages. And this was a mat stack that I have had for several years, but it's got gorgeous fall papers in it, so I used that. And like I said, I used the little fox, and he's in the Give a Hoot cartridge on page 38. Now, I cut him on flip. I'll show him to you. You can see he's flipped around from this one, but I cut him on flip at 2 inches. I've already got him on some foam tape, and I did use my Cricut Explorer to do a print and cut of him. But I just think he's so cute. He's so great on fall cards, and I have used him a couple of times. So we'll be using him today. We're also going to be using a circle die, and this is about a 2.5 inch stitch circle. Okay, guys, I'm going to get the card base and all my papers and things over here, and we're going to get started on this card. We're going to start out with a white card base, and this is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. To go on top of this, I went ahead and cut a mat out of some gold cardstock at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Then I adhered this beautiful copper tree mat on top of that, and it is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. This came out of that Die Cuts with a View stack that I showed you in the beginning. And yes, different nail polish. It's been a whole nother week, guys. But I'm going to get this video done today. I promise. So we're going to go ahead and get this adhered to the front of the card. That's going to be so pretty with that gold and copper and those beautiful fall colors. Now I've cut 2 mats to go on the side of this card, and these are also from that same mat stack, but you can see this one, it doesn't have glitter in it, but it's very shiny, has an embossed look to it. And I cut this one at 1 1/4 inches by 5 1/4, and then this orange one is 1/2 inch by 5 1/4. And I'm going to get these adhered down right over here with some more glue, just like that. I am just loving this with all this texture and shine and all the different fall colors. So very pretty. Now, I took a 2.5 inch circle die to cut my circle. If you don't have dies, you can certainly use your Cricut or your silhouette, however you cut out shapes. Go ahead and cut a circle at 2.5 inches. And this is out of some kind of wood grain. Kind of has a crackle look to it. As I said, it's 2.5 inches. I'm just going to glue that down flat right here to the front. I like the back too. Okay, now here's where our little fox comes in. There he is, and like I told you, he came from the Cricut Give a Hoot cartridge. I cut him at 2 inches on flip, and he's on page 38. And I did do a print and cut with my Explorer. If you don't have an Explorer, just go ahead and cut him out with your Expression or whatever you have. Maybe you have a personal Cricut, that little baby Cricut. But he is really cute. And I think he's perfect for fall. He adds just a little touch of whimsy. Now, before I put him down, I've got my banner here. And this is 3/8 of an inch by 3 inches. And I've stamped Happy Fall, y'all. I've also got this on foam tape. And I want it to appear as if he's sitting on that little banner. So I'm going to get my banner where I want it and then stick my little fox down. There we go. Then we'll take the backing off the banner, get it down, and this is done. And I can write whatever I want on the inside, depending on who I'm sending this to. I think it's a cute little card for fall. You could change the sentiment, use it for Thanksgiving. You could use this for a fall birthday. Just lots of different occasions. That's just a really quick, cute little card with lots of texture and interest because of the beautiful shiny papers, the different patterns, the texture. I just love that. I think it's so cute. So there we have it, guys. I finished. I can't believe it. My first card since June. Oh my. Thank you all once again for all your prayers and for sticking with me over the long summer. I love you all. God bless you all. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.